Yeah, man. Let's do this. Jump on the magic carpet and let's go for a ride. Yeah. Jamaican things and things. Rolling up with the eye, the reggae brownie man. What more good and nice, so. A boom. So I'm gonna drop it on the Spanish River. So look for the Spanish River stage scenery and comment and comply. You know the code. Subscribe. If you ain't a subscriber, you ain't a supporter. Alright. Jamaican things. Reggae brownie man. Together we're stronger. One love, Jamaica.
So come on and check out this channel, Duali's YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though, to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
Wagwan Jamaican things, people, you know, over there. Over there, St. Mary, right now. Over there, 3 Hills?
No, Lodge.
Lodge, with the Lodge St. Mary, guys. I don't know there with one of the them money they bought from way back in the guys. Them money like a concrete in a lodge, you know, guys. You see me? Real rest man. Them money can tell you everything what go on them side. I don't know.
I thought, man. Cause me look over my community while I wanna spew out.
I saw it go on.
Wanna.
So you see the man a chop a jelly, guys.
Yeah, wash your God. Natural water is good because so much boom money is sitting there. I think. Right now, me ask everybody. Me I run a survey. The survey where me I run. Where in a boom? What make boom? Well, look on this and ask yourself, why wouldn't you drink this? Because typically, even if you ask yourself, why make coconut? You know, me probably can't answer. But you know, the natural water will come out of nature and go up through the tree trunk and reach up through the little petal them, whether that turn petal, then turn, you know, and then them turn big, you know. So you know the process of the Almighty, naturally. But when you say boom, now you say, why make it? You know that go through machine, it go through chemical, it go through some substance, you know, and packaging in a plastic. So we don't know really, but it influence people still. Every morning you wake up, what the first thing? Boom down, boom down, boom down till we don't know. And then we are head for nuclear chaos. So maybe these things were set, like the name boom, to encourage the bombardment that is about to take place. World War III.
World War III.
To set yourself free because of peer fire. Here, better fire come and say fire. Yeah man, you my message up on the fire, so fire. Peer, so boom. When a boom, no. Wake up and you want something to drink. You know, say we have roots. We're not the Rastaman roots. See the roots tonic. Roots tonic. Muscles, bones, nerves, etc. Etc. But as me I said, the roots, you know why not chain the roots, sarsaparilla, blood whisk, nerve whisk, medina, you know what I mean? Dandelion root, coconut root, guava root. You know what they are. You know where they come from. They come from right under your feet. Tropical dirt. You know what I mean? It's not just to bury people, but something to admire and look upon as a really precious thing. Because look at these two things that is now right here in my hand. No doubt that they are about to make me younger, stronger, and live even longer than normally me that live. By just absorbing them. Each time you absorb them, you're sitting here in your life. You are enhanced. You are continue to live because you are cleansed and you are built. And you are cleansed and you are built. Well, we can't do a rap this one. Cleansed and you are built. We're going to do that soon so we get a rhythm for that right today. Because I see the Chinaman them come. I see the Chinaman them come and all the Chinaman them say, A what? Hung Fang Ya, Hung Fang Cha. Where the way blood can you hear me that tune there? Hung Fang Cha. Hung Fang Cha. And it turned #1 and me don't know what them a say. And me up till today me don't know where Hung Fang Cha me. But it was
Open Gangnam Style.
#1 in America and down at Jamaica everybody. Hung Fang Cha. You see? And that was just a phrase they make. That's a phrase. So we can make a phrase where we can read it tomorrow, we can believe. Alright, that's the thing there. So
Yeah, mean Rasta,
but
man.
yeah, but we just said Jamaica enough with more respect the earth and stop chew down the plastic them kind of hold up the pro car. The earth is like your pulse on your skin. Just like if you put on some thick nasty lotion where a pure chemical make it black up your and make you sweat like an idiot. So but when you're free and natural juice come you just sweat and the sweat gone because it just blow through because your pulse them clean out, your pulse them at work.
Right.
So remember to check in and do the right thing. Just a word of encouragement. You know, we're not trying to be no one more than no one. We just have to stay through the moment there. You know, learn to interact
So you have
with
the roots
Jamaica.
there.
Roots and culture.
And what else you have over there again now, Rasta?
Oh, castor oil, we make out of oil nut. Castor oil.
Real natural.
Castor oil. But we are going to make a drink and come back because I'm thirsty. I hold up this too long. Now, about 2 long rotted cup out of the smallest jelly me take up. And I think so, I don't want to go too hard. See them?
2 cup out of the small jelly then.
You put this in your system, your artery and them place there and your vein. What you think I got happen to your body? No flow you are going to flow. No vibrant you are going to feel.
What you mean?
You are going to poop and release all some gas. Them things are nice. So watch the mix. Because mix me again. My boy a mix because he come through in the countryside. And my sister him appreciate me. So I'm going to drop it like I can. So I have to go down and shake your roots, just like you see them put on a drink box them, shake it first, and that a soda and that a acid and it still say shake. We can't shake the soda them, but on the box juice them, you see it mark, shake well, right?
Shake well.
Shake well.
Yeah,
Shake well.
Thing mix up.
Shake well. So we have right as some roots and coconut juice. You see me, I float it up, I'm going to get that one. You get that one. Well, listen. More life.
Yeah, mean man.
More life.
Roots
more
and
life.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Water man.
Country
Natural, real natural man.
Roots from the Rasta. Roots.
Real natural guys. You know see that?
Yeah.
From the earth.
And you see me cup? That one me cup to you know and comment, you know. Hey, I know the love comment. You can't move right now if you go get nothing, but we just work with you. That's how we live for years, man. We don't make nothing trouble with too much. That's why you don't see me shrivel up and work. And most people just see them shrivel up and it's their mind because them worry and them stress on them. You don't know what they mess with their name. We just live and give thanks for the moment.
Yeah, mean man.
And hoping on what to come, man.
I mean,
Cheers.
cheers man.
Stool, bench.
Alright, then the people in the store go on. So you don't know, so whenever you guys pass this area, yeah man, make sure so you know, check out the spot in there, guys. Yeah man have everything as a phone.
Any little thing you see and you feel, I feel it rips up. It's like you just say, don't have something I deal with it too much, you know. Yeah, man.
Report some things. Yeah man, and see the man have a brownies them too, you know, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, man,
brownies.
reggae brownies them man.
Reggae
Tell them what I go
brownies,
on about it man.
Yeah.
Reggae brownies guys, so I don't know.
Eat right so you feel right, you know.
Reggae brownies there.
Gummies there.
Gummies there.
Don't drink a jelly.
Jelly there.
Don't feel too smelly.
I see it. Roots there.
Why roots nice here, man?
Yeah man.
Drink
And the man-
drink it before you drop out your hand, man.
Yeah man, and the man is a real roots man and real art man in a guys.
Drink
I don't
it
say
before you drop
down
out your
to
hand.
earth.
Drink it before you drop out your hand. Always put you first. Yeah, man, when it comes to art, he was a fan of Michael Jackson. You beat it! Beat it! Yeah, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah man, so that's how we stay. So this are the last of him before him rest. So very important picture for sale. I mean have it all long and nobody know about it. So me ask the camera for help me out on the sale before it turn and just damage up on waste. A canvas, as you can see, real good canvas.
Yeah,
acrylic paint. I will touch back a little. I itch it, man. Itch. Right, I itch. Right, because the paint is so solid. You know, starchy paint, right? But Michael lovers, Michael Jackson, man, let's do this. And you see in his eyes, you see looking at his mansion, look at him, quality here, called. That's his few last days here on earth.
Right.
Alright? And it's going for $300 US as the starting of an auction. So it is an auction sale live right here on
Jamaican things, man.
right, so you send in your comment and say you have the 200, everybody the bid, and when it reach 500, that person will will own this.
Right, the highest
I
bidder.
don't have no copy.
The highest bidder
Right.
gets
But
this.
I am the painter, see that? Yeah, aye.
Yeah,
And this
aye.
was done 2011. You see the quality of it still? See that? See that?
Still stand up.
See him bleach out, you see him blood them in his body. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So the man do
As I say,
artwork,
I am
painting.
artistical.
You understand, man? Art. Man of the art form lock.
Yeah, so me I go rise a museum in the future. That's one of my vision. Tell the world that. And they just can't stop it.
You understand, you have to put out the thing
A
them,
nuclear
man.
bomb. Yeah, but a rainy day.
Oh, rainy days, you know, you put it out.
No, because sometimes rain take a sudden, that's
Yeah.
a God work. And so, so when you see rainy time, you just love God we can go on with. Nobody that you get rid of, But then they on time and master, but okay, and
You mean, man, that's what going over there.
Smack haberdashery is some skater guys them from America, they want, but they just wanted the name to advertise mostly. So I'm gonna know get the name out, and so they can sell it as just the Aki, right?
Right.
Hey, what?
Yeah, man, and the man have sea mass as well, guys. Understand? Same thing we call Irish mass. See there? And seal as well.
You see me I take it to us a while ago, now that in the video. You see me I run with it, and that would look good because, yeah, and you catch them. And then we just can show you the fight me I go through too. Yeah, and it just too like some driver get personal.
Right.
Like, me not do nothing bad than staying here still doing, as you say, where you see me did I do from them time that you come back round. Me still doing,
The same
reaching
thing.
out and put with that weapon. I'm not suppose weapon hang out, but you know what I'm saying? 'Cause some people have wrong thoughts. So anyway, some
And-
jelly coconut. So
So the cups them here too, guys.
yeah,
From
all right.
Natural.
So officially now. So yeah, so I mean normally stay so, right? Yeah. So I normally stay, I can transform to whatever. But as you can see the driver, them a drive past such a flavorable character for some personal reason. A 3 glass that me change, in one going.
One go.
You know what I mean? How much people does that? Like universally. Am I a fucking alien or what? You know me I say? I just saw you come down. But yeah. But remember you see them out there on the YouTube, then everybody has a lot. Yeah, check out. This you know. Yeah! I sure say with it in a media. Gina come here. Gina. Right? Gina that. So there's no end to the thing, Let me tell you, We can go on and on and on. On and on and on. some mask I make out of one special type of palm limbs.
The limb.
When it dry up and drop, get them. Make nice mask. You know, African eco, natural eco, no plastico, natural eco. Time to come. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's right. So that's as you tell the world about my creative side. You know, we always so lignum vitae creating the ashtray as well. So I have no one, brownie man, I have no one for them to resent. You see that? You know, man, a nice, pretty tourist there. And we have, you're not gonna heal up. What about the drink? You like it, man? Yeah, so here me have turning the coconut now. This is a coconut into a snake. You know, so we, as I tell them, my mind no have no limit to creativity. I try to use up things where drop off and no, like now tear down and kill a tree. No, you wait till the tree dispose of it. So it's like me look a walking stick here. I use me other one, you know. See my name there, yeah, I. 2021. We think me mark the thing then, you know.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
So you know, tear down tree, you wait till the tree dispose of what you want to dispose
Right,
of
and then you
use it.
utilize that instead of make it and then no rotten down. You put in a utilize.
Alright guys, you see how much place them man are there, in a Jamaica travel guide.
Yeah.
man.
All
So
the
man,
time they
like
have
this,
me in that. And me
man
never
another
see no one
observer.
come and give me one token. I want one little motivation. And say,
back in the days. Man, and this is the hard work of the doctor.
yeah man, anything, all this. I dive up from out of the ocean. It's a simple piece of wood. But when me look upon it, I say, sometimes a simple thing can turn some money where, you know, some tourists will like. So it turned from that to, you see, like a alien there, so if you look good, you see it.
Yeah.
Right, but when you turn it around, so you see it's gone in an animal. Yeah, so you see alien hand come down as well. So, and scale the body and then that gone around to this one. So it's a whole vibe, the two with bird have different, you see, so. It's a abstract, multi-dimensional dive up from the bottom of the ocean and now existing in future time from the bottom of the ocean to here and to beyond exist, and it could have stayed on the ocean forever, but it choose to recycle and revitalize. So like me I say, when it comes to creativity, bro, me have all a project I want to do with thinking too. Me not start that yet. I'm thinking too tough. Nah, mash. Solid, so we can do.
And you would deliberate.
The one it there a long time, it kinda it there a long time. But think it was in there you can just look so when it's ready.
Yeah man, you have to
But
deliberate.
me I go cut them and make like a lighter holder and everything there, you know what I mean? Like you can just open it up so on a chain and you know?
Yeah.
You have to think, you know. Right. So that is that. So them are where me say. Brownie. This name Brownie. And this name the gummy beer. See around there, so it have 5 different flavors. 100 milligram in each. It's good for relaxation, chronic pain, mood swings, blood circulation. Just chilling. You want to do your online, you know, nobody trouble, you know, one car now, you don't want to smoke at this alarm, will the smoke alarm will go off. That will get you there, get you refined and chill and, you know what I mean, continue. Well, Papa, you know, the getting together mama and papa thing too, because I have couples who come here with big smile, like so on their face. Everybody say, what? The body. In a real life, the government beer will take you there. I shot a Campari trouble. Remember, good no man. Alright, so yeah, I just saw when man come around, I have vibes, man. Vibes have to go on. I'll me tell you who came to. Cenat. Kai Cenat was here.
Yeah,
Cenat.
realize. Yeah.
Lift it up back, the girl them a do the dirty work so.
Promote Tyrone.
What going on?
What kind of tune is when I dance to a dirty girl a wine? Well, not easy, you know. And he only gave me about a couple of $1,000, you know. And I thought that being I am a local icon, I must be dealt with in much more financial respect. All right, so after we look up the stream after he left Jamaica. Within 3 days, the views were by 9.8 million. You know, so up till today, that clip, based on the fact that he came to meet me. When the camera see me, the algorithm don't see everyday face, right?
Right.
So obviously, I'm the one who make the algorithm go, whoa. Eh?
Of course.
And those are the things that I need to be honest with. Don't just love the money, but love the scene. If you can build up character, it's not like your video in river and seas and it's people. So when the money comes, share a little. Say, Bridget, this, no, I tell you what we make exactly, but hold on this.
Right.
You understand? And reasonable, sensible dash to a man can even go buy a pair of shoes or do something as a part of the getting to all that money.
For
Nothing
real.
wrong with that.
Not at all.
That is what me I fight for. How to treat each other better.
Right. That is right.
Alright, I did something then.
You know what I mean?
So Kyle.
Alright guys, so this is what I want. Now tell them what you guys see right here. Yeah? Tell them what you guys see. Now that's a painting on the rock depicting the map of Jamaica. Is it that smart? Jamrock. One Love Corner.
Yeah, man, we all have a day, man. No matter how much we have done with it, I got my talk about. So, you know, there you see it with your own eye. Oh, that's a couple we never know me before in their entire life, and the respond, the connection, the smile, the communication, you know, and we always talk about the quality of Jamaica because me I show the herbs and the roots and the culture and the prospect of development, of coming together as young entrepreneurs to create future business from the soil of Jamaica, which is rich in resources. Yeah, man. Let's do it on the magic carpet and let's go for a ride. Yeah. Jamaican things and things. Rolling up with the eye, the reggae brownie man. One more good and nice, so. Boom. So I'm gonna drop it on the Spanish River. So look for the Spanish River stage scenery and comment and comply. You know the code. Subscribe. If you ain't a subscriber, you ain't a supporter. Alright. Jamaican things. Reggae Brownie man. Together we're stronger. One love Jamaica Irie. Yeah.
So you know what them know, so you're an artist man, you have, you know, you have the
Oh,
musical
the track
side as
Never
well.
say so much people are not down me door if you come in. To the me say the stronger is on the sea. People them want to come in. Cause oh, strong ganja you make the vibes, it flows so right. Strong ganja they are tonight. Now. It bring an eerie feelings to my mind, to my mind. People I want to tell you so much, said I love it and always burn my spliff, burn my chalice. I'll give you all that I, you know, yeah. So you know we have the rest and the rest, that on right road. Yeah, man. But tell me what you think so far, and you know, yeah, man. It not no rhythm yet and enough things, but. We get together, we link up with musicians, you know, so you never can tell what you have.
Alright.
That's what I think. So, big up Jamaica things. Support Jamaica things. It's all about Jamaica, for Jamaica, in Jamaica.
What a go on, guys? We're there, you know, guess what we're there? Spanish Bridge. Yeah, man, with the Spanish Bridge, you know, guys, we're gonna show you what go on today. You don't know. Stop on the way a while ago. You don't know. We don't have the famous Rasta them in the place, you see me? Now we're gonna check
The
out the river,
ancient Spanish
River, guys.
Bridge stretches
So,
proudly across
stick
the
and
glistening White
see.
River and stands
Spanish
as a
Bridge today.
historic landmark
Jamaican
spanning
thing.
centuries.
Your boy do all.
The White River borders the parishes of St. Anne and St. Mary. The original structure is believed to have been constructed by the Spanish before the invasion of the English in 1655. Unfortunately, the original structure was destroyed by a flood in 1801 and was later replaced with the current structure. The cut-stone arch-shaped bridge is a reminder of the level of detailed work that was done by our ancestors. After the destruction of the original bridge in 1801, the residents of the parishes of St. Anne and St. Mary petitioned for a new bridge, stating it was dangerous and impracticable to cross the river without one. On February 4, 1801, the Jamaican Assembly allocated the sums towards the building of the current bridge over the White River. It was, however, not until September 28, 1807, that the St. Anne Vestry recorded that a contractor was selected to erect a new bridge. It was recommended that half be paid by the parish of St. Anne and the other half by the parish of St. Mary. The Spanish Bridge was declared a national monument on April 29, 2023 by the Jamaican National Heritage Trust.
Yeah, guys, you know so over there? Spanish Bridge, man, let's make a walk. Check out the river. Hey, you know, so this river here lead all the way down into three hills and them area that we wanna find lodge and them place wanna find the blue hole them. Yeah man, this lead all the way to the blue hole them in St. Anne and parts of St. Mary. Nice clean water.
That you cannot buy, shiny love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy, finding a way where you cannot see.
Really? I'm saying from the Spanish River.
That be nice, no man, I got that thing back.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Yeah guys, guess what we're doing? What's that? Tree Hills. Yeah man, with the Tree Hills today now guys. Tree Hills going to Cenat. Where the one Nick there? Tree Hills with it today now. Where the one Nick, the one I see him. Can't spot the one Nick today. Anyways guys, so this is Tree Hills, St. Anne. Yeah man, I look for a fellow YouTuber, Nick. I can't find him. Yeah man, and this is where he's based, in Tree Hills, St. Anne. Oh, this is a beautiful view guys. This is a beautiful view up here in Tree Hills, St. Anne. That's a beautiful view, don't guys? Beautiful view. Nice little view down there. St. Mary then. Hills Primary and Basic School.